Hey guys, we will understand a couple of roles in Azure in this video. All right. So Azure is one of the cloud computing technologies in the market, and it has got a couple of roles when it comes to Azure different roles, right? So even if you are working or if you're trying to learn the Azure, all right. So these are the roles that you will be coming across. Okay. Now, any technology or the tool that you have, a role called Azure Admin, and you also have Azure Developer, and you also have Architect. Apart from this, all these roles are actually defined based on the organization. And, okay, so he's someone who always talks to customers and understand the client requirement. Okay, that's what architect does, solution architect. And developer, of course, depending on the requirement, like some developers will work on the code part, they develop the coding, and then you have to check some commands. It depends, all right. So these kind of activities developer will be performing. So majorly these three roles we have in Azure technology, right? Azure, which is the cloud computing technology, and believe me, this is a very demanding technology in the market. All right. Now, what solution architect does is interacts with customers. Okay, as I said, solution architects will interact with customers and come up with the design. Okay, based on, once they talk to customers, they'll come up, they'll understand the requirement and come up with the design, and they ensure that design is implemented correctly, because end of the day it is the responsibility of architect, whatever the design given by the customers, it is implemented correctly without any issues. Okay, so that is what architect will be doing. Okay, majorly these sort of things we will be performing. Now, if I just give you about the admin part, as I said, okay, he will implement or maintain the solution or changes which is given by the architect, right? So, admin, Azure admin will implement and maintain the solutions provided solution proposed by architect. Okay, will implement or maintain the solution proposed by architect. Okay, now here, as far as the projects or companies are it depends, like if your application might need some changes, right? In some cases your application might need some changes, they will implement that. And few, what they also does is custom solutions might be required, right? So they will work on that as well. Okay, depends. So basically you can say these two are the the kind of activities where developers will be coming into picture. All right, so these are the roles majorly, if we can talk about in Azure. Okay, Azure administration and Azure solution architect and Azure developer. Okay, now yeah, I mean, you have certifications as well, so we will not get into it. Every role has a different certification code and a different certification process. As of now, I'm not going to detailed explanation about the certifications. Okay, I just say that just I will give you, you have something called AZ. Okay, and the number, which is that we can call it as a certification code. Okay, so we'll try and give you more details about certification in another video. Okay, here we'll just talk about the roles of different different job roles in Azure, right? Okay, so these are the certifications, you can say. All right, so we'll talk about it in another video, as I said. So I mean, this is how you have different roles in Azure. Okay, Azure admin, Azure solutions architect, and Azure developer. Okay, admin, he'll implement and maintain the solution proposed by the architect, whereas solution architect, he will interact with customers and come up with a design and ensure the design is implemented correctly. And developers, in some cases what that does is, application might need some changes, they do that, and some custom solutions might be required, and they also perform these sort of activities. All right, so this is about different roles in Splunk we have. Okay, I hope this will help you to understand the roles in Splunk. Thank you.